Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine at your homes. Today we are going to start our new topic, which is based on two theories about origin of life on earth. In this regard, some scientists says that the life originated from non-living compounds and some says that life originated from pre-existing matter. So two theories or concepts arises. One is called abiogenesis and other is called biogenesis. Start your copybook. I will explain it also. Write down the question. Write down the concept of abiogenesis and biogenesis. Our main heading is abiogenesis. Definition. Centralize the definition. Living beings spontaneously develop from non-living is termed as abiogenesis. Our side heading is, for example, Aristotle believed that fishes, frogs and aquatic insects spontaneously develop from the mud. Now our main heading is biogenesis. Definition. Centralize the definition. Living beings can only develop from other living being is called biogenesis. Our side heading is, for example, this idea was practically analyzed experimentally by an Italian scientist Redi. He shows that all living organisms arise from their parents. Now I am explaining both concepts. In abiogenesis, scientists thinks that living beings spontaneously develop from non-living. It means that जो तमाम जानदार हैं वो इत्तफाकिया तौर पर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स से डेवलप करते हैं. इसकी एग्जांपल एरिस्टोटल ने ऐसे दिया कि तमाम फिशेस, फ्रॉग्स और एक्वेटिक इंसेक्ट्स जो हैं वो इत्तफाकी तौर पर मड से या गीली मिट्टी से पैदा हुए. इसी तरह से इन बायोजेनेसिस लिविंग बीइंग कैन ओनली डेवलप फ्रॉम अदर लिविंग बीइंग, यानी तमाम जिंदा अजसाम जो हैं दूसरे जिंदा चीज़ों से पैदा होते हैं. और इस आइडिया को प्रैक्टिकली किसने प्रूव किया? एक इटालियन साइंटिस्ट रेडी ने. उसने अपने प्रैक्टिकल से बताया कि तमाम लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म अपने लिविंग पेरेंट से पैदा हुए. Now we have some differences between abiogenesis and biogenesis concept. This is your copywork. Now write the question. Write down differences between abiogenesis and biogenesis. Write down the main heading, differences between abiogenesis and biogenesis. Make two columns and write down the heading in one column, abiogenesis, and heading biogenesis in other column. Okay. Now point number 1 in abiogenesis. Abiogenesis refers to a theory on the origin of life, that life originated from non-living compound. In biogenesis, write the point number 1. Biogenesis refers to a theory on the origin of life, that the life originated from pre-existing matter. Point number 2 in abiogenesis is, this theory is proposed by Alexander, Miller and Needham. Point number 2 in biogenesis, this theory is proposed by Redi, Schwann and Skeldon. Now point number 3 in abiogenesis is, this theory is not proved scientifically. Point number 3 in biogenesis is, this theory is proved scientifically. Point number 4, this theory was based on observation and national thoughts. Point number 4 in biogenesis is, this theory was based on practical experiments and material evidences.